How's it going, everyone? In today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to turn a laptop into a triple monitor setup with this awesome fold out monitor kit. Let's check it out. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name's Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by FQQ. We have a folding monitor kit. This thing is awesome. You can unfold it and use it as a triple monitor kit for a laptop, or fold it right back up and carry it around easily, meaning it's super portable. All the links and details will be in the description, of course, so make sure to check that out. First thing is first, we're definitely going to get it out of the box and let you guys see what all you get. And from there, we will try the product out and give you some better details of what we think. So let's go check that out. All right, so we have a portable monitor. Let's get it out of the box. See what it looks like. Inside a box with another box. We have a case, then the actual portable monitor in the box. This is the S20 portable monitor. And this is a very nice case we got here. Let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging. It will zip open and you can put the monitor kit right in there. So let's get the monitor kit out of the box. Break the seal. All right, the seal is broken. All right, we have a Let's Get Connected page right here where you can get all sorts of information you need for connecting it. Then we have some foam. We have some paperwork right on top. Right here we have some protection screens. That's always nice to have. Then we have the actual product itself. Let's get it out. See what we have on in the side. We have the cables. We have got HDMI to mini HDMI, a USB to USB-C, cable ties, our user guide, cables on this side as well, USB-C, USB to USB-C, some more C to C. Then we have a power adapter if you need to use it to plug it into the wall, as well as a small microfiber cloth if you need to clean the display, as well as some little rubber ends that we may need. And this is some deluxe foam packaging, let me tell you. That seems to be everything in the box, so let's get that out of the way. All right, the product itself will open up. And we have two screens to make this a triple monitor setup with your laptop being in the middle. It will come apart to fit your laptop perfectly. Let's get these screen protectors off. Oh, you like the sound of that? Very nice looking screens. And will fold up very nice. I like how it folds right up. And the other side will fold this way. Very nice. So this is what you get out of the box. We can put it in our little travel bag. Easily be able to take this with you anywhere. This might be my new favorite setup. That is great. So this is a 15.4 inch triple monitor kit. You can fold it out and it gives yourself triple monitor action on a laptop. So if you have a 15.6 inch laptop up to a 17.3 inch, this might be just for you, especially if you are doing multiple tasks on one screen. So if you're ready to stop doing that and get to work on 3 screens, this thing's pretty cool. So you have a display on each side of your original laptop monitor. Your left and right panel are both 15.4 inches with a display of 1920 by 1080p and an IPS of 178 degrees, included with anti-glare eye care and HDR image enhancement, and with a very stylish narrow bezel design. Definitely giving your laptop a upgrade for design, for business, or programming, investing, or even gaming. But of course, for my use, it came in extremely helpful for editing photos, editing videos, and music software, giving me the option to span out on 3 different displays without having to go through all this clutter on one screen, which is normally what I have to do, so this is definitely an upgrade. Overall, this has been an awesome device. It's spanning my display range from 1 monitor to 3, giving me triple display action, whether I'm gaming or editing or just making some music. If you're out on the market to turn a laptop into a triple monitor workstation or gaming setup, definitely be sure to look into this and make sure your laptop fits the dimensions. You can get all those details and more located in the description. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. This thing is awesome. It's definitely a nice tech upgrade that I would recommend. FQQ, thanks for reaching out and partnering up with this so we could share this with our audience. And if you're looking into this product, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know what type of monitor setups you guys like to use. Last but not least, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. Ring that bell to turn on notifications. Hit that like if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm Brad, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Laters.